Yes, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, this is Julius and Nick. Yes, so in this video we shall be showing you the simplest strategy to use profitability. Yeah,
and if a person is losing, this strategy is for you.
Yes, the simplest strategy. And before you proceed, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
And also guys, if you're not part of our trading community on Telegram, you are missing out a lot, because in there we post signals and also detailed chart analysis. Therefore, if you want to be a part of our community on Telegram, you can click on the description below.
Yes, and also the ongoing discounts on our services, where we're giving a 40% discount on our mentorship package, where instead of someone paying $150, you pay $90, and also getting free access to our premium channel. Yeah, but what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to sign up under our broker FX Pesa using the link in the description below.
We don't know what market is going to be doing, so we had set this level. Why? Because we wanted to see market breaking above this level, right? Give us a proper retest before we could go for the price, but market didn't give us that. Before us getting this level, this resistance level, if prices are below, before us putting our resistance level at that point, our resistance level was at this point. I wanted to see a break above this level before we could drop. Why? We had a low high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we got this lower low, lower high, and then a lower low. That's why we got our resistance level, and then we put it at this previous lower high. We wanted to see prices breaking above this previous lower high, give us a proper retest or a good retest, and then a good confirmation candle before we could go in for the buys. But we got a break, and a break was just one thing, show us that yes, we may be in for the buys, but there are no confirmations for us to enter the buys. So we waited for a retest, and we saw that market is giving us a nice retest, but are there confirmations that are letting us into the buys after a retest? Possibly or probably no. So we got this breakout, then we are getting this nice retest, but it broke back in without giving us a confirmation. Would you go for the buys without confirmations to go in? Without confirmations to go in for the buys? Probably no. So when we saw that this setup of ours is invalidated, we got our resistance level, right, and then we transferred it to this point here. So we wanted to see market breaking above this level, give us a proper retest, and then wanted to see a confirmation candle that would confirm to us that we are buyers now to the upside. But what did market do? Market just came to this level and then dropped back again. So we are having these prices going all the way down to break this level, right? So what we just did, we got our trend line. How we draw trend lines, we shall talk about that in our next videos that we shall be making. So this was our first point, and then this was our second point, right? And then the other just becomes a ray, and as this is a proper trend line, market broke below this level, right, and we demarcated this level, and we wanted to see market coming back to this level of resistance, right, and then give us a reaction, right, coming back to this level of resistance, right, give us a reaction with a bearish confirmation candle, right, before we could go in for the sales, right, because we are broken below. And what gives a person confidence to look for a sales here after break retest, and then when you get confirmations you enter sales, is that this is a downtrend. So that gives you more confidence to enter into the sales. But this all takes patience. I won't enter just because of a breakout. No. A breakout is just one thing. right? It is just one part of the whole entire story of how you are supposed to enter. So with that, we are getting a break. Well, after us getting a break, we wanted to see a proper retest at this level before starting to think that we are pushing towards the downside. But is a retest enough for us to enter? No, we need a confirmation candle that will tell us that now sellers are back into the market, right? So we are having market coming back to this level, but we are not seeing any confirmations at these levels, right? So we just have to wait. So the levels here that we are looking at for prices to mitigate and react are there is this level, right, of resistance, right, and there is this level of the trend line. So we want to see a confirmation candle, right? So is there any confirmation candle that we are seeing? Yes, market didn't react at this level, so we just put this off, and then we want to see, will there be a confirmation candle at this level, right? Let's take this off, right? Let's take that off, and then let's just add this. We can also draw a trend line at this level. So this is our first point, our second point, and then the other is a ray, right? So market is reacting at this trend line, and there is also this trend line, and market reacted to this trend line so well. So that's it. So I'm going to get back my level of resistance at this point. So there are 30 things I'm watching. Of course, market reacted at this trend line, right? Market is reacting at this trend line, but again, I want to see a confirmation candle which is bearish before I can start going into the sales, right? Without that, I won't enter the sales. If market decides to go back up, I'll be looking at this level. A break above this level, a proper retest at this level which market has broken, would let me go into the sales. So let's dive deeper and see. Let's dive deeper now. So let's see whether we shall get. So we got a break, complete break above this level, right? So after this complete break, I want to see a retest. I want to see market coming back to this level of support. This was resistance when prices were below this level, so now they are broken above. So this is no longer resistance, but now has turned into support. So we want to see market coming to this level of we want to see market mitigating or coming back to this level of support, as then market giving us confirmation before we can start going into the buys, right? And then the first target that we can look for for this setup, I can look at this as my first target, right? Then I can look at this as my second target, right? So let us see. If I get a retest at this level, I want to see market coming back to this level of support, giving me confirmations that I want to see before I can enter into this buys, right? So let's see, market just continue pushing up, just continue pushing up. So that now this is it. It's not good to always chase the market, because market will always come to you. So you don't chase the market, market will always come to you. So we are seeing prices coming back to this level, right, of support. Now we want to see a confirmation that will let us into the buys. Let us see whether we shall have it. So would a person enter at these levels? Basically I would enter, so I would get my so I've gotten this break, I'm getting this retest, and I'm having this confirmation candle. Not strong enough, but I would enter. Then I want to use the fib extension to determine where my TPs are gonna be. I always target 3 TPs for this. So with the fib extension, this is how I'm gonna be using it. I'm going to be getting, or I'm going to be targeting where the first impulse started, to where the impulse ended, to where the correction ended. It is not necessary the first impulse, it can be any impulse. For this impulse, right, that we have, if we want to use that fib extension to know this target, one, you'll have to draw it from where the impulse started to where it ended to where also the correction ended. So you can basically see here that our first target is at this point here, our second target is literally at this point here, and then our third target is at this point. So if you don't want to use these levels, right, resistance levels, right, you can use the Fibonacci extension. So with that one, I would enter. So with this one, let me also demarcate these levels of, so this is my first target. This one becomes my first target, then this one becomes my second target, Fibonacci extension, and this one becomes my third target, right? Three targets, 61.8%, the 100%, and then the, and so with this I'm going to be entering at these levels. I'll be putting my stop loss below here. Of course, now with this you're supposed to be getting your confirmations that for each year we are on the daily, so you'll be putting your levels below here, right, and then you go for those targets. Let's see how market will play. Let's see how they will play. So is target 1 hit? 98. Now target 1 hit. Target 1 has been hit. For how many pips? For how many pips are we talking about? So a person entered from here. So those are 200 pips for your first target. Your second target is at these levels. Let's see where the market will hit those levels. So market is reacting now. Also the level that we had demarcated, this, the resistance level, TP hit that level, and after market hitting that level, it's now reacting. So let's take off this level. So market came to this resistance level that we had demarcated and then reacted to it, right? So you're ready at break even, right? Ready at break even, and then your other trades are running. So let's see our TP2, will it hit or not? So will it hit or not? Let's see, will TP2 hit or not? So this I'm taking it off. TP2 hit. TP2 hit. So with this the TP2 has been hit. So if a person had entered from here, TP1 was already hit for 200 pips, right? If they had put their TP at this level of resistance, they could have gotten 244. Then if a person had used a Fibonacci extension, they would have gotten 200 pips. So our TP2 is at this level, which is now 480. So for the Fibonacci extension TP 483 pips, then for the resistance TP 520 pips, and you can see that market is reacting at this level of resistance that we had demarcated, right? It is reacting, right? So our TP1 hit, our TP2 hit, and then our TP3 hit, right? So for TP1 using the Fibonacci extension, done, right? Then for TP2 using the Fibonacci extension, done. And then for TP3 using the Fibonacci extension, done. Then also the TPs that we are demarcated using resistance levels, they were also hit for TP1 and TP2. And these are some of the things that we look at before entering any buy or sell. Hope guys this was a great video, and hope you guys learned a lot from this. See you again in the next video.